This video is one more style of my favorite face cover from scarf, Zanuzdalka. If you want to have a comfortable face cover and protect your ears from cold and wind, this style is just perfect. And you will see how you can adapt it to colder weather. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel, How to Tie a Scarf. And now let's tie our face cover. I have this lovely vintage silk crepe de chine scarf. It is called Old Peugeot. If you think silk is slippery, try crepe de chine silk. It is not slippery at all. Fold your scarf as a triangle. Cover your head like this. Now take one end, pass it under the chin and on the top of the other end. Wrap it around like this. Make a face cover from the second end. Pass it under the headscarf. Now just tie the ends behind. As you can see, this size scarf is the minimum for this face cover, but you can easily use a larger scarf. Spread everything out. Et voila! Your head cover with a face mask is ready. I can wear it, pull it down and pull it up when I need a face cover. By the way, if you want more scarf ideas, remember to subscribe. Usually, I wear it with a tweed cap. If you like vintage scarves, check the links in the description for some nice vintage scarves from Etsy. I think this is the prettiest face cover from scarves I've ever tried. And very comfortable. If you like scarves, subscribe and hit that bell button to get notifications about new videos. Also, let me know in the comments section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see. I hope to see you soon. Bye!